right, really quick then, what are your answers? Okay, what'd you get for f of 3 is equal to what? Negative 1.8. And again, if you put 1.7 or what, it's fine. Okay, it's an estimation. What'd you get for f of negative 5? 0. And what'd you get for this one? 0. Is that everybody okay? Yeah. Okay, so remember, if they give you function notation, this is the 0.16 and this is the 0.4 negative 3. So if you guys remember how to find slope intercept form, wait, can you see? Oh yeah. Right, x1, y1, x2, y2. And I know we could shortcut it and plot the points and do rise over run, but we're going to do it this way, the longer way, the more textbook way, because you guys are going to move into quadratics and logs and rational, and there is no like shortcut way of you plotting the points and getting them by rise over run. So why go over that skill? Let's just go over the correct way, which is the way you're going to solve for the other functions, okay? Okay, remember, we want slope intercept form. So I need to find m and I need to find b. Okay, so slope, how do I find it? y2 minus y1, right? x2 minus x1. So if I go ahead and substitute, y2 is negative 3, y1 is 6, 4 is x2, 1 is x1, and then we'll just go ahead and clean that up. And mind you, right, you just separate your y's, you separate your x's, you subtract them, and you just want to make sure you keep order. That's the only mistake. And then just make sure that negative, that subtraction, doesn't take the place of a negative. And again, if you're rusty, you could just grab a calculator and you can just type it in, and you know we should get negative 3 over 1, right? Because negative 3, negative 6 is negative 9, right? You add them and keep the sign if they're both negative or positive. 4 minus 1 is 3, and there's my negative 3 over 1, or negative 3, whichever you prefer. And you know this is m, so that's going to go here. So now I have to find my b value. So y equal negative 3x plus b. This is what I have. Okay, I need to isolate b, so that means x and y need to get substituted. It doesn't matter which point you choose. So do you want 1, 6 or 4, negative 3? I would have done 1, 6, but okay. Okay, this one has a negative. It's 4 and 3. You're going to get bigger numbers. So I guess I'll do it both ways. I would have chosen 1, 6 because there's no, because what's negative 3 times 1? Negative 3, right? I would have gone easy. Okay, so let me substitute this one. 6, negative 3, 1 plus b, right? So then what's 6 minus 3 plus b? If I add 3, b is 9, right? If you would have chose this one for, oh wait, that's x. Look at that. See, I'm already messing up. That's why. Negative 3, 4 plus b, negative 12, add 12. Yeah, the numbers were bigger, and that's when I start messing up. So b is 9. So you get 9 both ways, so it doesn't matter which one. So what is your end? What is the equation of the line? Y equal negative 3x plus 9. That is your answer. And this is a big or. Just pick, okay? I always try and go for the point that has a 1 in it, because we always know every number times 1 is 1. Or if you're dividing, it's always just the same number. It's identity property, right? Okay, the fifth one, they give you a function. So I know it's in S and T's. Okay, so if that kind of throws you off, this is S of t, right, which you're going to do the function, but this is y and this is x or this is t. If this throws you off, you can always just change it to y equal 9x minus 4, and you're going to graph the line. It's going to be a line, so when x is 0, when x is 1, when x is 2, plot the point, connect it, and then see if you guys can find out what those values are. And I'll give you guys class time because I'll stop the video. Yeah? If you want to use use an XY table, you can. So if you want to use like when x is 0, when x is 1, maybe when x is -2, it's up to you. Because you have 4, you have 23 here, you could substitute it. So we'll solve it algebraically, but also if you guys, yeah, because 23 is long, you're going to have to solve for it. 3? Yeah, you'll get 3. Oh, swine flu? Porkopolis? I just finally read it. I wasn't reading it. Okay. Yeah, alright, let me stop.